understanding SQL injection.
This SQL injection is a type of cyber attack where hackers use harmful code in input fields to access or control your database. This can lead to stolen data, changes to your website, or even full system takeover. Learning how these attacks work is the first step in keeping your website secure.
Use prepared statements.
Always use prepared statements or parameterized queries when accessing your database. Prepared statements separate user data from SQL commands, making it much harder for hackers to sneak in malicious code. Most modern programming languages and frameworks support this simple, effective security measure.
Validate user input.
Never trust data from users. Validate and sanitize all input, ensuring only expected types and values are allowed. For example, if a field should be a number, check for numbers only. While input validation alone isn't enough, it adds an important layer of protection against SQL injection.
Limit database permissions.
Set up your database accounts with the least privilege needed. If your website only needs to read and write certain data, don't allow it to delete or alter other tables. This limits the damage if an attacker does find a way in, reducing the risk of massive losses.
Stay updated and monitor regularly.
Keep your software, frameworks, and libraries up to date to patch known vulnerabilities. Regularly check your website and database for suspicious activity. Using monitoring tools and updating often are easy steps that help you spot and stop attacks before they do serious harm.